up everybody? For those of you who are new in, I'm Siham, and before we start with the video, please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and feel free to share this video to all your friends and family members. So in my today's review, I'm going to compare two really interesting products together. And if you're following my YouTube channel, then no, it's not about straighteners this time. This time it's more about airbrushes. So in the comparison today, I have the fancy Revlon hot airbrush. Here we go. And the one from BaByliss hot airbrush, or as well called volumized brush. I would like to compare these two products together today to see which product is better. And back in the days as I bought these two products, I didn't see like any review which told me, okay, this product is better than this one, or this one is better than this one. So in order to help you girls to save money and time, I would today make this comparison for you so that you don't need to waste your money. One difference is definitely the price. The BaByliss one costs 60 euro and the Revlon one costs roughly 50 euro. Of course, not a huge price difference, but however, 10 euro difference is nonetheless money. And yes, I'm really curious basically to test these two products together today. From the technologically aspects, I can't say that much because I think they're quite similar. And today it's not about technologically facts, it's about the result at the end. One more point maybe regarding my hair structure. I have really thick, curly, frizzy hair. So before I'm going to test these products, I will wash my hair and I would say, see you later. Alright girls, I washed my hair as you can obviously see. So now I'm going to use some styling products for my hair in order to protect them. By the way, I use today the whole range of Olaplex for my shampooing and conditioning things. Now, as I'm currently totally at Olaplex, I will use as well the Blonde Smoother number 6, the leave-in conditioner, which is my favorite one. I will mix it with Olaplex number 7, the bonding oil together, because I think the combination makes a really shiny and nice style. And of course, because we're working with a lot of heat, I use my heating spray from got2b, which is up to 220 degrees. first half and it took me 50 minutes. That was pretty fast. Let's check the result. It's really nice and fluffy. It feels so nice. So that means Revlon half, still curly. But now I'm going to use the hot airbrush of BaByliss. Done, as you can see. So this side is with the Revlon side, and this side is with the BaByliss side. So now comparing these two results together, definitely my favorite for today's review is the one of Revlon. The hair looks really shiny and soft, feels really soft. It's bouncy, it's really nice actually. I know it's not perfect result, but still you can definitely work with this result. Whereas the result with BaByliss, as you can see, I don't know whether I can see it, but here above are still some curls and it's not really nice straight, as you can see. So compare these two sides with this. And now it has as well this rotating mechanism behind it, so it grabs your hair and rotates it then. But this works even worse because then it tears out a lot of your hair, so at least for me it did so. So I am not like a fan of the rotating process here or system here. And overall, like for 16 euro, girls, you can save your money and just buy the Revlon if you want to have an airbrush, because the BaByliss is definitely not worth it. Maybe some will argue right now, you didn't use it right, or your hair is not suitable for that. No, girls, I don't think so. I just think that this product is made for girls who don't have that much curly hair, who just have like maybe waves or straight hair. Then I think it's quite cool when you can have like some volume in. But if you have curly hair, nah, don't buy this product. My winner of today's video is definitely the one of Revlon. Thumbs up for that. It did a nice job. And I will correct this side after this video immediately, because I don't want to go out like this. That was my personal and honest opinion, girls. If you have another opinion or want to share your thoughts, feel free to write it in my comment lines. Check out my YouTube channel. I have a couple of cool videos, tutorials there where I tested different products for curly girls. So feel free to check it out. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up in and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you didn't do that yet. Have all a wonderful day. See you soon and bye bye.